Curving type is a cool way to add style and flair to your design. This is an effect used in athletic style graphics as well as name brand apparel in a wide variety of styles. Today we're going to curve type 3 ways. Let's get to it. The first method we'll be using is the warp arch effect. The font you choose will determine the styling of the design you're creating. In this example, we're using a prototype font I'm working on to get an athletic style. Select your text, then go to Effects in the menu and scroll down to Warp and select Arch. The initial value is 50%, which may be more than you want. Just type the percentage you'd like to try or drag the slider to the left or right to get the amount of arch you want. Then click OK. This method is used in a variety of designs in our free design bundle that you can get in the link in the box below. It's a classic look that never gets old. The next method we'll be using is envelope. For this method, we'll be creating the shape we want the text to fill by using the ellipse and rectangle tools. Type L on your keyboard for the elliptical tool and drag out an oval. It doesn't have to be perfect at this stage. Once you release your mouse, hold Control on your keyboard, which activates the selection tool. Grab one of the anchor points in the corner and drag the arch to the amount of curve that you want. Next, click on the oval and holding Shift and alternate, drag it down. This is creating the height of the letters we're about to curve. Once you get it where you want it, let go of your mouse and release the keys on your keyboard. If you want, you can tweak these shapes now. Next, type M on your keyboard to activate the rectangle tool and drag a rectangle over the intersection of your ovals. Make sure the rectangle is above the top of the curve, below the bottom of the curve, and is the width that you're after. Now select the bottom oval and bring it to the front by holding Command, Shift, and bracket right, or go to Object and scroll down to Arrange and select Bring to Front. Select the top oval and go to the Pathfinder window and select Minus Front. Select the shape we just created and the rectangle, go to Align and Center Align, and in Pathfinder select Intersect. Now that you have the shape you want, type out the word you want to curve and select the object and scroll down to Envelope and select Make with Top Object. Since this replicates the warp arch effect so well, but has so many more steps, let's customize the look a little. Select the center anchor point on the bottom curve and drag it up, giving a more dramatic look. We can also select the top corner anchor points and affect the flow of the top of our word. The last method is an arc effect. For this one, just drag out a circle or oval, type T on your keyboard to activate the text tool, and holding Alternate or Option, click on the bottom anchor point and type your word. You may need to center your text by clicking the Center Align option in the text tool or hit Command-Shift-C on your keyboard. With this method, the characters follow the flow of the arc of the ellipse it sits on rather than standing vertical. Curve type is a great way to add dynamics and flair to your design. With so many options for creating curved text, you can get a lot of cool looks with this one effect. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please subscribe and hit that like button for good measure. Also, don't forget we have that free design bundle you can get in the link in the box below. I hope you have a great week, and we'll see you in the next one.